Morning, everyone. So it's like 9 o'clock. I just got up. Grandma's already left for church, and I think I'm gonna have some tea because it's really cold out. And oh my gosh, are these my last ones? I'm gonna have some of these not Grove, what are you? Gray's black tea with chia coconut cookies. These are my favorite things in the world, and I think they're my last ones. I'm real sad. Maybe I can order some more. I don't know. Let's see, what mug do I want to use? Guys, I need to go through my mugs. Let me see if I can show you how many mugs I have, because it's ridiculous. This shelf here, plus this shelf, and now they're towering down into here. Maybe I need to make a decluttering video of my mugs, because I think I have a problem. This debate with myself every time I have hot chocolate or tea of which cup I'm going to use, and 9 times out of 10 I go with the exact same one. And I'm going to do the same thing now, because I'm obsessed with this cup. Ah! I'm throwing things. I'm going to use my Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas mug. Where did I get this from? It's from Pier 1. Originally it was $8.95, but I got it for 25 cents at Goodwill, so I think I was doing pretty good. And it looked brand new. I came home and washed it really, really good before I used it. Don't worry. But yeah. That's where I got it. If I can find one online and link it, I will. But if I can't, I'll see if I can find something similar. I love it. It's like huge. It's almost like half the size of my head. Please stay. Please stay. I don't have a kettle, so I make my tea in the microwave. I mean, some people make it on the stove by boiling water. I have a friend who just gets extremely hot water from her sink, and I think she's weird for that. And then you have people like me who use a microwave. But hey, everyone to themselves. Do what you would like. What am I doing today? I gotta clean the whole house today. Like I said, Grandma's at church. I literally just woke up. So I am going to sit down, drink my tea, and watch some videos on YouTube probably. Get my vlog ready to go out from yesterday. And then once I am fully awake, I will probably start laundry. I have a lot of laundry to do. I also need to pick up this stupid pile on the floor from this bin over here, because it's got all my Christmas sweaters in it, and I was looking for a certain one. I dumped it all out, and then I just didn't put it back, because I'm a bad person like that. Well, it was yesterday morning, and I was in a hurry because I was running late for school. So that's kind of understandable. But yeah, we've got a lot to do today. Can't even speak. My house is a mess. But we're gonna get it looking all pretty. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit when I'm fully awake and ready to start cleaning. Alright guys, so I've been starting to straighten up, and I just grabbed this box of these makeup brushes here. They're the Fine Line Makeup Brush Studio. It's a 33-piece set, and my aunt Carol, she just gave me this the other night, Friday night, because this was actually my birthday present, and I never got over there around my birthday because I was so busy. But I was just messing with these, and I mean, you get a huge amount of brushes, and these are the softest brushes I think I've ever felt. Like, let me pull one out here. Like, these feel like such good quality, and they are so soft. Like, I'm really excited to try them, like, on my face. Like, I was feeling this giant fan brush, And it's so fluffy and so soft. And I love them. Like, I'm definitely going to try them. I need to wash all my makeup brushes anyways. But, like, I have a bunch of things I have to do this weekend. I have to wear my makeup. So I always get scared my brushes won't dry in time. But now that I have all these, I'm going to try them all out. And I'll wash my brushes later. Because, I mean, you get everything here. Like, I'll pan across them for you. They're all still in the packaging, so I don't know how well you can see them. But they're really good quality, and even, like, the case feels really, really nice. And that'll be really good, like, when I go travel to do makeup. Like, if I have a wedding or something to do. And even, like, if we're doing makeup at school, I can easily just carry this, and I don't have to gather all my brushes. Like, love it. I'll let you know how they work on the face. Guys, so I'm going to be completely honest with you. It's like 4:30. Grandma and I went out to lunch, and I think I mentioned last night, it's Shark Week. I started my period, and usually the first, like, 3 days of my period is super bad. Like, not heavy flow-wise, but cramp-wise. And I wasn't having any cramps this morning, and so I didn't take any pain medicine before I left. But as we were out to lunch, the cramps hit, and I was super sick all afternoon. So I'm going to be completely honest with you. I came home, and I laid down on the couch. I turned the TV on, and I've just been relaxing with my heating pad. And yeah. But Grandma just left to go to her Christmas party tonight, and she gave me a piece of cake. And I wanted to show you the inside of it. Maybe. It'll quit sliding. There we go. It's so pretty. And it honestly tastes really good. I was worried. I don't know. I just thought the texture might be weird. Like the jello might get kind of jelly feeling. I don't know. I was really worried about it. But it's really, really good. I really like it. The cake itself is a little bit dry. I think I overbaked it just a tiny bit. But the parts with the jello are super, super moist. And just, like, they're kind of overly moist, I guess you could say. So it evens everything out. Then you have the Cool Whip on top, which just brings it all together. So good. I'm definitely going to make this again. If you want the recipe, I'll show you the recipe card. It's called Red Holiday Poke Cake. You probably can't see that. I'll find it online and link it down below. But yeah, I definitely recommend trying it. It's something different. I've never tried anything like that before, except for obviously the banana poke cake with the pudding. But I've never tried it with jello. Definitely recommend it. I use strawberry jello, but I think it'd also be good with like cherry too. And then there was another one where it was like a layered cake, and each cake layer was a different like colored jello. So you had red and then you had green. And it was red and then green, red and green, red and green. As many stacks as you do. That one would probably be super good as well. And it would be really aesthetically pleasing as well for the holidays. But I'm out of breath. I don't know why. I'm going to get off here, eat my cake, and then I've seriously got to start cleaning. I'm just going to get done what I can. And honestly, if she doesn't like it, this is the point I came to. If my therapist doesn't like that my house is slightly messy and that it's lived in, it's not your house, so it's not your problem, you know? That's the way I'm feeling about it today. But, yeah, I feel like if you've got 1 or 2 dishes in the sink, or, I don't know, you have a blanket on the couch that's not folded, like you were just using it or something, it shows you've lived in the house. Everyone lives in their house. You can't just keep it completely clean and then just stand in the middle of the room doing nothing, you know? That's not how life works. So, yeah, that's just kind of at the point I'm at. If she doesn't like it, she can either keep the comments to herself or just not come. Like, that's the point I'm at. But, that's it for now. I'm washing my hair tonight, though. Side note. I'm using this new shampoo I got. I gotta review it. It's the May I Moisture. I don't know how to say it. Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Shampoo and Conditioner for sulfate-free, or for dry, damaged hair, and it's sulfate-free. But yeah, I'm really sorry my camera cut me off. But what I was saying, I forget what I was saying. Oh, I'm gonna start cleaning. I'll probably show you a quick before clip, and then I'll do maybe some time. Sorry, my toilet's running. I don't know why. It keeps doing it randomly. I'll probably show you a quick before picture, or quick before video, and then I might show you some clips in between. I don't know. Depends how I feel and how much I actually get done. If I do, I don't even know. But then I'll probably just show you an after if I don't show you before clips. But yeah, let's just get into this. This is the before. I have trash here that needs to go out. It's trash night, so. And then I've got dishes scattered over here. And I've got dishes over here. There's not many dishes. But there is some. And then I still haven't put the dishes away from the other day. And then I've got to clean up the couches over there. And straighten up. Hi, Snoop. Straighten up my desk a little bit over here. And then that's it. Just straighten up the couches. I think that's everything. I need to do laundry as well, so I've got some laundry over there that's got to be put away. And yeah, so let's just get started. Hey guys, so I've completely done all the dishes and cleaned up the stove and the counter. Hold on. It's dark. Let me go let the dogs in, and we'll talk as I walk. Grandma just got home to drop off the cake, and she got me Wendy's, and I had to pry open the door for my gas tank. Well, not my gas, to get to my gas tank, I guess you would say. Because it turns out when that lady hit me the other day, it bent the door, and so the button to get into my gas tank, like to open the door, was not working. Like, it wouldn't work because the door was so bent, like inside. So I had to go out with like a knife and pry it open. But yeah, that's fixed. Grandma just went to get gas. I was gonna go for her, but she was already in the car. Like, she sat in the car where I got it open, and she was like, I'm already in, I might as well go. So she went and did that, and yeah, I'm tired. I've spent the last hour like just cleaning. I've done most of the laundry, and I've done all the dishes, and I like deep cleaned the top of my stove. Like, I even took like a really rough scrubber and like tried to scrub some of the like spills that had been on it. Like, I spilled Jello when I was making it last night, so I really like scrubbed at that and everything. And yeah, so I've spent probably the last hour to hour and a half doing all that and folding and putting away laundry and stuff. And now I'm just going to wait on her to come back, and I'm going to eat dinner, and then we're going to watch some cooking shows. I'm going to wait and fix the couch tomorrow, right before my therapist comes, because my dogs will just mess it up again. Like, that's what they do best. So, yeah. I don't know what else I'm getting into tonight. I'll probably take a shower later tonight, so I'll show you what new products I'm trying, because I usually try a new face mask every Sunday night or Monday night, depending on when I take like my relaxing bath with my shower. That'll probably actually, yeah, that'll probably be tomorrow actually. No, I don't know. We'll figure it out. But yeah, I'm also going to dry, put away the dishes, and then if anything else exciting happens, I'll get back with you. But yeah, I don't know if I said it, but my cake was a hit. People really liked it. Grandma just brought the rest of it home. There's only like 4 pieces left. So out of the, I cut it into 12 and they cut the 12 into 24. Like they cut each piece in half, I guess. So only having 4 pieces left, little pieces left, so 2 big pieces left. It's pretty good. They really enjoyed it. So yeah, but I'm gonna get off here for now and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Bye. Oh my gosh, I look ridiculous. I just took a shower. That's why my hair looks all crazy and I look like I got 2 black eyes. But guess what? It's snowing. Can you see it? I'm so excited. I literally just said the other day that we hadn't really had any snow yet. And it's snowing. You can't really see it. You can see it on the ground. But we're supposed to get like 3 to 5 inches tonight. I'm like so excited. We have snow. Ah, the state road's going out. Dang it. I was hoping the roads would be bad and then I could cancel my therapy appointment tomorrow because I don't really want to go to physical therapy because I don't feel good. But yeah. Alright, I'm going to end tonight's vlog here. I have to get to bed because I got to get up early to go fill out my papers for work. Well, turn in my papers. And yeah, so I'm going to bed. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.